Welcome, in front of me is a Nokia G22 and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, we're going to pull down our notifications and extend the list of toggles, which will reveal Do Not Disturb somewhere at the very top. As you can see for me, it's right over here. This is the default location of the toggle, so for you it should be in roughly the same place, hopefully. Once you see this toggle, you can hold it. This will take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode actually functions. I recommend navigating here the very first time, just so you can actually see how it's set and what it will be changing. So I'll touch upon more important options, not all of them. And starting off, we're going to begin with the people, which allow you to select who can call you or message you. Now moving further down the list, we have schedule. This will allow you to set up a schedule so your mode can turn on and off automatically. Now in here you would just select each day of the week that you want it to run during, as you can see, and then start and end time. And last thing is the duration for quick settings. When you click on it, it gives you three different options: until turn off, which is the default one, for 1 hour, or ask every time. Now, if you plan to use this mode sporadically, just maybe you go to a business meeting and you want to enable it, I recommend setting it up to be middle option for 1 hour and then possibly increasing the amount of hours to something like 4 hours as an example. Now, the reason I recommend setting this up is if you tend to use this mode sporadically and you just enable it once every God knows how long, you will probably forget about it once you're done needing it. So therefore you will enable it, go to a meeting, get out of it, and not remember to turn it off, meaning that whatever the mode actually changes will be constantly applying to the device till you remember to turn it off. But with this setting enabled, after 4 hours, even if you forget about it, the device will turn it off for you. Therefore, making the device basically start functioning as it did before and allowing calls and all that stuff. So we're gonna click on OK to confirm it. Now, to enable your Do Not Disturb mode, simply find the toggle once again, click on it, and it is now enabled. Now in my case, it's going to be running for 4 hours, but like I said, you can turn it off yourself as well. So once you're done, all you will need to do is click on it and it will disable, also turning off that timer. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.